Wait, let me ask you something. Imagine earning a full-time income or even millions from your YouTube channel. What would you do first? Buy your dream car? Move into your dream house? Take your family on a vacation they'll never forget? You see, YouTube is a gold mine, and the best part, it's easier than ever to start making money even without showing your face. Faceless YouTube channels are trending, and today I'm going to introduce you to one of the most exciting new niches that requires almost no investment to get started. Yesterday, I was researching ideas for you guys, and I stumbled upon a channel using sticky animations. These animations are going viral on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, which is a clear sign that now is the best time to jump in and start earning money. And here's the best part. It costs you nothing to get started. No fancy cameras, no expensive software, just creativity and a little bit of effort. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll show you how to check if your YouTube account is shadow banned, which will help you avoid the common mistake that causes channels to get 0 views. Let's get started.
So the first step is searching for high engagement scripts. Search for funny conversations on Reddit, Quora, or Pinterest. These platforms are all full of real human conversations that already have engagement. Open your browser and search for something like funny conversations between boy and girl. Look for a post that you find engaging enough. Copy the conversation and paste it into a Google document to make slight modifications. Now that we have our script, we need a voiceover, but don't worry, you don't need to record your own voice. There are many AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs, Clipchamp, and DubDub. For today, we'll use DubDub because it's free to use, it has a variety of voices, and you can generate multiple character voices. Here's how to go about it. Sign up for a free account, link in description box. You then go back to Google Documents, open your script and copy the first dialogue for the male character. You then head back to DubDub, click on the voiceover button, paste your copied text into the description box, then click on more voiceovers. As you can see, you have a variety of options to pick from, then select the voice you see fit. Click on the play sign to listen to the generated voice. Once you're happy with your results, click on export, click MP3, then export again. Repeat the same process for the girl. As you can see, here are my generated voices. Now comes the fun part, which is animating your characters. For this, we'll use Adobe Express, which has an amazing animate from audio feature. And here's how to go about it. Click the link in the description box to access Adobe Express. Once you're signed in, your homepage is going to look like this. On the left-hand side of your screen, tap the plus sign, then click on Quick Actions. Search for Animate and click on it. Once you've done that, scroll down till you find the sticky character. You can resize the character by using the bar down here. You can also change the background, choose to upload your own background or make the background transparent, or even choose a color. You could also change the ratio of the video, but since I'll be creating shorts, I'll be going with 9:16. Now it's time for the voice. You can either record or browse through your system, but as we've already generated a voice from DubDub, that's what we'll be using. Select the male character voice first, then wait for it to load. Now that it's done, let's listen to it.
Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again?
Sounds cool, right? To make it more realistic, click on Opening Editor, click on your video, click on Position, and then click on Flip horizontally. Once it looks good, click on Download, then download again. Repeat the same step for the girl. Now that we have our animated clips, we need to edit them together to look good. For this, you can use CapCut or any other video editor. To begin, click on Create Project, click on Modify to rename your project and change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Once you've done that, import all your animated videos and drag it to your timeline. Arrange them in the correct order based on the script. Add funny sound effects, use smooth transitions to make the video engaging. You could also add captions for better accessibility. Once done, export your video, and that's how you create sticky animations.
What about... Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again?
Wow, that's a pretty cheesy pickup line, but I'll give you points for creativity. I'm not superstitious, but I am a little stitious.
Ha, that's a good one. I'm stealing that line. Dear, did you bring any cash?
I tucked some money in your shirt pocket.
What about my
Your pills along with your wallet is in your bag. I also put a small umbrella just in case it rains.
Now, how do you know what I am going to say?
We have been married for nearly 50 years, young man.
Now, here is how to check if you are shadow banned on YouTube.
Shadow banned or not, just go to this website. I'll leave the link in the video description. Scroll down and click on the YouTube shadow ban detector. Next, go to your YouTube page, click on your channel icon and select view your channel. Copy the link from the address bar, head back to the website and paste it in the designated field. Solve the CAPTCHA and hit submit. This will tell you whether your channel is restricted or shadow banned.
Thank you all for the amazing support. It truly means a lot. Stay consistent and don't forget to check out my YouTube automation playlist if you want to learn more about how it works. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future content. See you in the next one. Keep grinding and stay inspired.